Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you're interested in trading, then you are on the right side of YouTube. Today we'll start trade with $250 on my deposit, and today we are going to trade using parabolic SAR indicator. Before we start, I just want to tell you that if you struggle with trading, my videos will definitely help you out to understand how you should think while trading, and you can pick up some tips and tricks how I trade. Don't forget that you must accumulate your own and unique experience, so you should just trade and trade as much as possible. So follow your trading goal and don't give up. My trading session will definitely help you out in that. So guys, please support this video, put a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, today we're going to trade with you using parabolic SAR indicator, and this indicator will tell us pivot points, also further price movements, and we will use this indicator in combination of technical analysis, which means it's work on support and resistance levels. So of course, with this indicator we will confirm our entry point. So guys, let's get started. The indicator is already connected to me. It looks like green dots at the bottom and the top of our graph. The signal is the moment when, for example, green dots begin to form above the graph. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move down. Also, when the points begin to approach directly to the candles themselves, this situation says that the points will begin to appear from below our chart. Here we can also open a deal for going up. Also, this indicator may have errors, for example, during pullbacks or when the price moves in for trading zone. Also, with a downtrend, it is best to wait for the points on top of the chart and open downtrend deals on the downtrend. Such an entry point will be the most effective, because with a downtrend, it is best to trade with the flow, that is, with a downtrend. Just on this segment, it can be seen that with downtrend, points are mainly from the top of the chart. Similarly, with an uptrend, it's best to wait for the points from the bottom of the chart and open deals to go up along the uptrend. Also, of course, don't forget about the support and resistance levels, because this indicator, like any other indicator, is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. So, of course, first of all, we pay attention to the support and resistance levels, and of course, on the whole trading situation, and only then on the hints of this indicator, because only competent combination of indicator and technical analysis can give us a good result. So guys, please watch this video till the end, because you will see how I work with this indicator, and I think today we'll meet different situations on the market, so we'll try to earn money on them. So guys, let's get started. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond our level. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go up. We also see that dots are forming at the bottom of the chart, which means that in the near future the price will move up. Just at the moment a good green candle is beginning to form. I think it is more likely that this level will be broken through, and we'll have time to work with you on this particular movement. So as a rule, in such situation, 1 minute is enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, the price really continued to move up. The level was breached. This is where we make a profit. The price has an excellent potential to go up. Also, the indicator turned out to be right and gave us a real good entry point, so I think it's a really good start. Let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here we also have a level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a downward movement. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, since we see that the price has a good potential for a decline. The main price highs are also getting lower. Also, points are formed above the graph at the same time. It's a high probability that the price will continue to move to the level. I think that we'll have time to work with you on this downtrend movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. I think that's great guys, the price really continued to move to the level and we managed to close our deal with a profit. There was also an upward pullback from the level. We managed to work with you on this downward movement and the indicator turned out to be right again and suggests us a good entry point. So guys, let's continue considering another situation on the market. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. After the first touch of the support level, there was an upward pullback. And after the pullback, the price turned around and moved back to our level. Also, the main price highs are getting lower. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. We also see that the dots are already beginning to form above the graph. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move towards the level. 2 minutes also with the margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a pullback up. So guys, let's wait for the result. Okay guys, that's great. As you can see, the price really continued to move down, and here we are making profit. The indicator really gave us a good entry point, and price continues to move towards the level. In this situation, we have managed to work out on the approach of the price to the level, and let's continue guys. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. There was also an upward pullback from the support level. After a while, the price is approaching our level again. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level. Points are also formed above the graph. The overall potential of the price is also going down. I think that we will also have time to work with you exactly on this particular downward movement, and 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright, as you can see, the price really continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. This situation worked themselves out perfectly. The indicator suggested us a really good entry point. So guys, everything is going perfect. Let's continue. Okay guys, here we also see that there was a good confident uptrend. Also, after touching the resistance level, there was a pull back down, and after a while the price turned around and is approaching our level again. So I think we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. The indicator also confirms our entry point. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future, since the price also has an excellent potential for going up. Also, at the moment there is a certain compression. 2 minutes also with the margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a roll back down. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright guys, that's great. The price really continued to move up. The level was still broken. This is where we make a profit. 2 minutes in this situation was totally fine for us, and also indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue consider another situation on the market. So guys, here we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment after the pullback, the price is moving back to our level. There was also a slight pullback down. At the same time, points are formed under the graph. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to go up. Also, the overall price potential is going up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. Also, I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough when taking into account possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, unfortunately there was a pullback down, and in this situation we are getting a loss. Unfortunately our forecast didn't come true, a pullback began to form. Yes, sometimes such situation happens, but the most important thing in such situations is not to panic. You shouldn't get upset. Also, don't be in a hurry. Such behavior can lead to a greater mistakes. Yes. The main thing, I think, it's just to come down and follow your strategy. And since I still have $1,000 on my deposit now, I'll just continue analyzing the market and try to find the next entry point. Here we need to focus on market analysis, not on the result we got right now. So guys, I just try to find another situation in the market and we will continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment after the pullback, the price is moving to our level. In this situation, we open a deal literally for 1 minute for going down. We also see that there are dots are forming and the overall price potential is going down. I think that in this situation, the price is more likely to continue to our level, and we'll have enough time to work with you on this downward movement. And so guys, let's wait for the result. That's great. As you can see, the price really continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. We also see that at the moment the price continues to move towards the level. We can try to open the next deal here. The price has an excellent potential for going down. I think that this level will be broken in the near future. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond the level. I think that we will have time to work with you on this downward movement, exactly on breaking through the level. We also see that this at the same time dots continue to form further, so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, this level has indeed been broken. Here we get a good confident profit. We have worked on this currency pair on one signal of the indicator, 2 deals in a row. First on the approach of the price to the level and then on the breakout. As you could see, I took some time and I was searching for a good entry point. 2 hours have passed since our last losing deal, and just 2 hours later I found a good entry point, and I worked out on it really well. So that's what I was telling to you, that you should keep in mind this type of behavior, not to hurry up things and stuff like that. And yeah, as you can see, we got a loss, but we also got a profit and everything is good. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. After touching the support level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price again approached our level with good confident red candles. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down because the price has an extra potential for going down. Also at the same time we see that the dots are beginning to form above the graph. This means that in the near future the price will move down 2 minutes, also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or roll back down. But we can see at the moment the price continues its steady downward movement, and just at the moment there is a breakdown. So I think we'll have time to work with you exactly on the breaking through the support level. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the level has been broken and we are getting a good confident profit. The price has an extra potential for going down. Meanwhile, I already have $4,000 on my deposit. I suggest opening another last deal for today, so I just find the situation and we will continue, guys. Here we have a level of support. We also see that after the pullback, the price has again approached our level. It's already beginning to go beyond it. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price has an extra potential for going down. It is more likely that the level will be broken. Points are also formed on the graph. This means that the price will move down in the near future. Just at the moment it's already beginning to go beyond our level. I think that in this situation we will also be able to work on breaking through the support level. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright guys, this is our last deal, and as you could see the level was broken. Here we get a good and confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us. Also the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. So I have already more than $7,000 on my deposit, so I think I finished on this because I fulfilled my plan for today. That's it for today guys, and not all the market situation was working well today. I had only one loss today, and as you can see there is nothing wrong if you also experience something like this. As I always say, that you stick to your trading plan and follow your strategy. Be sure to keep a cool head and work only according to your plan. I managed to return what I lost and also to make a profit, which means that such approach definitely works. So guys, never give up, just try to relax, don't hurry, and everything will be good. As I said, trading is all about experience. It's a path, it's not one-time thing. It's actually a path and the way of thinking and everything. And you will be able to achieve it only if you do it often. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and you know what to do in case you have a loss. So please support this video, put a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so we always keep in touch. Also guys, if you want to get into my closed group where I'm sharing trading signals and it's for free, this is my trading signals. If you want to join this closed group, what you should do is text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below and I will add you to this group. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!